The rule of multiplication of two matrices is different from the rule of equating two matrices or addition and subtraction of matrices. Although square matrices of same order are multiplicative, but the rule says if we have two matrices A and B such that A is of order R1 by C1, B is of order R2 by C2, then A and B are multiplicative only and only if the column of A is same as the row of B. That means here C1 is equal to R2. This also gives us the order of the resulting matrix and it will be R1 by C2. Let's understand this with an example. I am picking up two matrices, one of order 2 by 2 and another of order 2 by 1. Now you can see that column of the first is same as the row of the second, therefore they are multiplicative, and the order of the resulting matrix will be 2 by 1. Now here 2 by 1 means 2 rows and 1 column. Now these are the positions of the elements here inside this matrix. This position means A11. Now 11 means first row, first column. This position means A21, second row, first column. Now let's find out A11 first. Now you have to carefully see how I am going to multiply the elements of first matrix with the second matrix according to A11 and A21. So first of all A11. A11 here 11 means first row of first matrix and here this one means first column of second matrix. So here we will multiply 2 with this minus 1 and this one with this 2 and we will add them. So A11 is 0. Now A21, this means second row of first matrix multiplied to first column of second matrix. This one will be multiplied to minus 1 and this 2 will be multiplied to this 2 and we will add. So according to their positions, the resulting matrix is 0, 3, this. Let's understand this with another example. Now I am picking up two matrices of order 2 by 2. So here the column of the first is same as the row of the second and the order of the resulting matrix will be 2 by 2. So here 2 by 2 means 2 rows and 2 column. Now these are the positions of the elements inside this matrix. This means A11, first row, first column. This means A12, first row, second column. This means A21, second row, first column. And this means A22, second row, second column. Now let's find out A11 first. So 11 means first row of first matrix multiplied to first column of second matrix. 1 will be multiplied to 1 and this 3 will be multiplied to minus 2 and we will add. So A11 is minus 5. Now A12, first row of first matrix multiplied to second column of second matrix. This 1 will be multiplied to 2 and this 3 will be multiplied to 1 and we will add. So A12 is 5. Now A21, here 21 means second row of first matrix multiplied to first column of second matrix. This minus 2 will be multiplied to 1 and this 2 will be multiplied to minus 2. So A21 is minus 6. Now A22, 22 means second row of first matrix multiplied to second column of second matrix. This minus 2 will be multiplied to 2 and this 2 will be multiplied to 1 and we will add. So A22 is minus 2. So therefore the resulting matrix is according to their positions. I hope you have understood how we are multiplying the elements of two matrices according to the multiplication of two matrices. Here we have completed the first part in which we have understood how to apply the rule of multiplication and its working. In the next part we are going to understand how to do questions on this topic.